Good morning and Jai Hind Bacho. Today we are going to discuss the last portion of GST chapter, how the GST will be applicable when the question is contain the discounts. So as we know that discounts having two types, one is trade discount and one is cash discount. So in the question, if trade discount and cash discount both is given, then how we will do the treatment? Okay, so bacha, always remember that when GST will be applicable, so first we calculate and deduct the trade discount. Then whatever balance is there, we will charge the GST. Achha, always remember, if no specific information is there, no specific information is there, then after charging GST, whatever balance will come, we will calculate the cash discount on that amount. Okay, so the thing is what that we have to be considered that when we are calculating and deducting the trade discount, then a balance will come. Like suppose 20,000 is the purchase value, trade discount is 10%. So 20,000, 10%, 2,000. So after deducting 20,000 was the purchase value. Deduct 10% of TD, it means deduct 2,000 rupees. So it will be 20 minus 2 is equal to 18,000. Now 18,000 will be the amount on which we will charge the GST. Okay, like suppose a GST is at the rate of 5%. So total GST amount will be 18,000. 5% will be how much, bacha? 900. Acha, after GST, no specific information. Then after charging GST. So after GST, the total amount what should be paid is 18,000 is the net purchase value plus 900 is the GST one. So total will be 18,900. And no specific information is there. Then suppose a cash discount is there. At the rate of 10%. So this cash discount 10% will be not calculated on 18,000. It will be calculated after charging GST. Whatever the amount will come, 18,900, cash discount will be chargeable on this. So what is the cash discount amount in this question? So cash discount, if the person is paid full amount, so 18,900, 10%. So it will be 1890. 1890 will be cash discount. Getting my point? Chalo ji. So this is the base what question we are going to solve. So you just see the question first. Okay. So what is the sequence? First TD, then GST add, and then cash discount will be calculated. Now you see the question one more time. You see the question first. You see the question, April 1. So GST is charged 12%. अब CGST SGST तो 6% CGST, 6% SGST, and if it is IGST, it will be total 12%. Person is from Delhi. Person is from Delhi. So if transaction is Delhi to Delhi, then CGST SGST. If transaction outside of Delhi, then it will be IGST. So bought good from Ruma and Company, Karnal. Ab Karnal is in which? So बच्चा Karnal is in which district? So Karnal is in Haryana district. What I think? Delhi is a different state. Haryana is a different state. So it will be what? It will be the interstate transaction. So IGST will be there because two states involved in this. So pass the entry. Bought good from Ruma and Company, Karnal of list price 30,000 less 20% trade discount. So first we pass purchase account debit. IGST will be charged. So input IGST account debit. Why we not open the CGST SGST? Because it is not intrastate. It is interstate. So purchase account debit, input IGST account debit to whatever the cash we are paying to cash account. Acha, always use now better word is what? Bank. Always use the bank word in GST transaction. And we receive the discount, so to discount receive, and still we have to pay to Ruma and Company. If you want, you can pass the different entry. But I told you on the time of giving you the knowledge of journal that we can pass the compound entry when the debit or credit is same. Okay, so see this picture. Now this is the entry. How we will do the amount calculation, that you see. 30,000 is the purchase value. 20% is the TD. So what I told you, first we will deduct the TD. TD is 6,000. So 30 minus 6, how much? 24,000. So purchase account debit 24. Purchase account debit 24,000. And I told you na, after TD, whatever the amount will there, we will charge the GST on that. So 24,000, 12%. Calculate it. Calculated 24,000. How much bacha? 12%. It will come 2880. So after TD, when we charge GST, and the amount is 2880. Now the final amount become how much bacha? 24 plus 2, 26,880. 26,880. Up half of the amount is paid by check. So 26,880. Half amount is paid by check, half amount is not paid. So the amount which is not paid is our liability, and liability is credit. So to Rama and Company 26,880, half amount will be 13,440. And bacha 13,440 is a 50%. What we are going to pay. And always remember, we are receiving the cash discount on the amount what we are going to pay. So CD will be calculated on this amount at the rate of 2.5%, and how much it will become? CD will come 336. This is a very good question. A lot of calculation is there. For that, you please be ready, because half of the portion of this question will be done by you, because it's going to be your homework also. So, you understand, then you will come to know that how we have to charge GST, when we have to calculate TD, when we have to calculate CD. So, bacha, always remember cash discount will be calculated on the amount what we are going to pay. So, we are going to pay 13440. So, 2.5% discount will be applicable on that only. So, the discount amount will be 336 and the amount what we paid is 13104. Okay, this is the first one. Second one. But second one is very simple. Paid electricity charges, as we know that on the time of electricity charge, water charge, and transportation charge, we are not calculating any GST. To pay electricity charge is very simple. Electricity charges account debit to bank account. How much? 4,000 and 4,000. Okay. Now we proceed for the seventh one. Bought machinery 50,000 from Lakshmi and Company, Noida. Noida is where? Noida is in UP. Delhi, UP, IGST. So, what thing is coming in our business picture? Machine. So, machine account debit. How much? 50,000. IGST 12%. So, input IGST account debit. So 12% of this 50,000 will be coming 6,000. So how much you have to pay to Lakshmi and Company? 56,000. Any problem in transaction number 7, April 7? Please see this. अच्छा बच्चा, after that ना April 8 is PET cartridge 500, installation charge 1500. PET cartridge 500 and installation charge 1500. This is in the relevant of the machinery. This is in the relevant of the machinery. And I told you, on installation charge, on carriage charge, on transportation charge, GST will be not applicable. And one more rule will be applicable in the transaction number 8. One more rule will be applicable in transaction number 8. I told you on the time of journal only. The entry of capital expenditure. Ki whenever we are paying any expenditure on a time of purchase of any assets, overhauling of any assets, major repairing, that all expenditure will be added, will be recorded by the name of assets only. By the name of assets only. So as you can see that we purchased the machine on 7. We purchased the machine on 7. And before its installation, whatever the amount will be paid on that machine, that will be recorded with the name of machine itself. So, bacha, we total paid on machine expenses 500 plus 1500, total is 2000 rupees. So, it will be what? Machinery account debit to cash account. How much? 2000. Now April 12. April 12 you see properly. Sold good costing 20,000 at a profit of 25% on cost less tax discount to Amar Company Delhi. It paid 50% amount by check at the same date to avail 2% cash discount. It was banned. Chalo ji, again we will on the mission of calculation. So no issue, we will do that. See this? Dekho, when a long calculation is coming now, not need to worry. If we will go step by step as per the question, it will be solved easily. And how it can be? See this. How we will do the calculation step by step to make it calculation easy, we will learn that. The sold good costing 20,000 at a profit of 25%. Chalo. It means first we have to add profit. Right? तभी तो कोई बचेगा. So 20,000 is the amount. 25% will be the profit. So 20,000, 25%. How much it will be? 5,000. 5,000 is the profit amount. So after profit, the price is 20 plus 5 is equal to 25,000. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25,000. This is the first thing what we have to do. Now, as we know that first we have to get the trade discount. The trade discount is how much, bacha? 10%. So 25,000, 10%, 2,500. And it will be 25 minus 2,500 is equal to 22,500. Now, we done it with the trade discount. Now charge the GST on that. GST at the rate of 12%. How it will become? 22,500, 12%. Calculate it. How much GST it will come, bacha? How much it will come? The 22,500, 12%. It will come 2,700. But as you can see that this transaction is done from Delhi, and the person is also from Delhi. Same state, CGST and SGST. So this GST will be applicable like this: 1350 for CGST and for SGST 1350. So after GST amount, the total will be 22,500 plus 2,700. 22,500 plus 2,700 will be total 25,200. So this is the final amount what we have to pay. Let's have a look again. So total amount before anything is 20,000. We add 25% profit. Profit is 5,000. So after profit, the price becomes 25. We are now knowing that trade discount will be the first deduction. So trade discount 10%, 2,500. After deduction, it will be 22,500. Now we have to charge the GST at the rate of 12%. So bacha, GST at the rate of 12% on 22,500 will be 1,350. Total GST will be 2,700, but it is a intra-state transaction, so it will be divided into part equally, CGST and SGST, and it will be 1,350. And after GST, the amount will be 25,200. It is a final payment. Now, it is said that 50% amount is only paid by Mr. Who? Amar. So 50% amount. So 50%. How much 50% will be? 25,200. 50%, 25,000, 12,500, 12,600. 12,600 is paid and 12,600 is not paid. And we will give 2% cash discount on the amount what we are receiving, what amount is in cash. The 2% of 12,600 will be coming how much? That we calculate. It is 252. Okay, 252. So now how much amount we are paying? 12,600 amount minus 252, and total amount what we are going to pay is 12,348. Now pass the entry. So bacha, how much amount we are receiving? 12,348. देखो, total amount is 25,200. Total amount is 25,200. 50% we paid. So 50% is how much? 12,600. And whatever the amount we are going to pay, the cash discount will be available on that amount only. The 12,600, 2% will be 252. And 252 minus that will be 12,348. So it will be like this. Bank account debit 12,348, and the amount what we not receive from Amar, it is a future receipt. Future receipt is our assets, so it will be Amar and Company account debit 12,600. 2. Total sales. Total sales. How much, bacha? Before sales, what we have to adjust? We have to adjust the discount what we had given. So the discount what we had given, that is a type of loss for us. So discount allowed account debit 252. 2. You can see it will be 2 sales account. Total sales is 20 and 2. Acha, on the time of purchase input GST. So on the time of sales it will be output CGST to output SGST. How much? 1350 and 1350. So this is the transaction how we do that. So bank account debit, how much amount we receive. Amar sales, how much we not receive. Discount allowed, how much discount we had given, that is a loss for us. Total sales 25,200. Output CGST, output SGST. So 1350 is a GST what we charge on the total amount 22,500 after trade discount, and 1350 is the SGST. So now we proceed for the transaction number 15. Transaction number, that is your homework. After watching this particular video, solve this question one more time. That is your homework. So April 15. Owner of Gopal Agency took away goods of list price 10,000 purchased from Rama & Company for its personal use. Drawing कर लिया भाई. तो बच्चा drawing, तो you are knowing the basic entry of drawing is drawing account debit and taking goods. अगर cash किया होता तो drawing account debit to cash. If the person withdraw the goods, drawing account debit to purchase account. अब when purchase is credit, so whatever the GST charge on the time of purchase, that will be also credit. So to input IGST account. So total purchase is how much, bacha? Total purchase is how much? 10,000. अच्छा, list price, देखो यहाँ पे एक trick है. List price is 10,000. So whenever the list price is given and goods are purchased and sell at discount, ये याद कर लो ट्रिक. Whenever the goods is given on the list price, and goods are purchased and sell on discount, so on the time of going out of the goods other than sales, discount will be adjusted, like purchase return, sales return, drawing, charity, advertisement, that all, if list price is given. So list price is 10,000. So on the time of purchase from Rama and Company, how much discount you charge? You charge 20% discount. So 1,000 is the list price less 20% TD, and the good price is how much, bacha? 1,000 TD is equal to 800. So purchase value is how much, bacha? 800. And GST 12% on 800 will be how much, bacha? Sorry, it is 8,000. 10,000 na? 8,000. And 8,000 12% will be how much, bacha? 960. So total drawing is not 8,000, it is 8,960. Again understand this. 10,000 is the total amount what the person is going to withdraw, but that is the list price, not final price. So we have to find out the final price after trade discount. 10,000 was the list price, deduct 20% trade discount. So final price after trade discount will be how much, bacha? 8,000. And we are knowing that GST will be chargeable on the final price. So 8,000 12% will be the IGST 960. So drawing account debit 8960 to purchase to input IGST. Why we charge input IGST only? On the time of purchase, IGST charge. So on the time of returning, on the time of decreasement of the goods without sales, then IGST will be chargeable. On April 20, Amar and Company return us goods costing 4,000 being defective. Bacha, he is returning to us. So what will be? Sales return account debit. Sales return account debit 4,000. Acha, Amar and Company return a goods costing 4,000. Ab bacha, goods costing 4,000. Ab you find out this. Dekho, again a very good calculation is there. A very tricky calculation. 25 is your homework. I will again see the calculation. Actually this question is contain a lot of calculation. Dekho bhai, costing 4,000, but the Amar we sold on 25% profit. तो सबसे पहले तो बच्चा इसमें 25% profit add करिए कि भाई goods की price क्या थी? 4,000 into 25%, it will be 1,000. So goods price become how much, bacha? 5,000. 4,000 was the cost. 25% profit you add. So 4,000 25%, it will be how much, bacha? 1,000. So 4,025 1,000. So total price, list price of the goods was 5,000. That is the cost price which is given. उसमें 25% प्रॉफिट उस टाइम लगा था, तो इस टाइम भी 25% प्रॉफिट ऐड करने के बाद द लिस्ट प्राइस इज 5,000. एंड एज वी नो दैट in the transaction, list price will be not recorded because on that time 10% TD was deducted. So we deduct TD again. It is how much, bacha? 500. So the value of sales return will be 4,500. So we will record here 4,500. And as we know that on the time of purchase, if the GST charge, so purchase GST, when purchase will oppose it, then GST will also oppose it. So on the time of sales also, whenever the goods are returned, we have to decrease our GST also, what we charge on the time of sales. So on the time of sales, output GST, output CGST, output SGST was charged. So on the time of returning, we have to pass the opposite entry. And how we can pass the opposite entry, bacha? Simple. Output CGST account debit, output SGST account debit. and how much बच्चा 12% of 4500. 12% of 4500. It will be how much? See this. 12% of 4500. If you will not watch this video 2 times, you will not understand. Total 540, and that will be divided in 2 equal parts. So it will be 270 and 270 and 2. अब now बच्चा sales return account debit 4500, output CGST account debit 270, output SGST account debit 272. अब 2 में बच्चा to who is returning the goods? Amar and Company. So to Amar and Company. Total returnment is how much बच्चा? So it will be 5040 rupees. ओके तो देख लो बच्चा फिर से एक बार इस ट्रांजेक्शन को. कॉस्टिंग 4000. कॉस्टिंग पे तो हमने भाई सोल्ड किया ही नहीं था. वी डिडंट सोल्ड द गुड्स ऑन कॉस्टिंग, वी सोल्ड द गुड्स ऑन 25% प्रॉफिट. तो जब बच्चा रिटर्न करेगा तो वो भी उसी प्राइस पे वापस करेगा. तो 4000 का 25% प्रॉफिट विल बी कमिंग अप 1000. तो गुड लिस्ट प्राइस इज 5000. And goods are not purchased and sold on the list price because trade discount was there. So again we have to adjust the trade discount also. So 10% trade discount, 5000, 10% will be 500. So total price of the sales return is 4500. And the last transaction 25 you have to do by yourself. One thing you remember, on the prepaid amount GST will be not chargeable because prepaid is a matter of next year. So next year GST will be set off on that. So prepaid and premium GST will be not chargeable. Other you do by yourself. Last transaction is your homework, and this is your homework also, that you go and solve this question one more time. One time by watching the video and one time without watching the video, because this question is a very special question. So thank you for today, bachcha. Thank you very much.